having two people doing this project makes things a whole lot easier because one person can roll out fencing while the other person is attaching it to the fence post. So we used 2" by 4" galvanized welded wire fencing. This was 4 feet high by 50 feet in length, and hoping by using the galvanized that this would reduce the rusting over time. We'll see how that goes. One 50-foot roll was not enough to cover the entire garden, so we had to use a second set of fencing, and here's my dad snipping off the end of the fence. There were little tabs left on it. This allowed us to have a flat last rung of fencing that we were able to butt right up against the first rung of the next roll of fencing. Here's my dad going through and zip tying all the pieces together, all the rungs to hold it. And having two people doing this project makes things a whole lot easier because one person can roll out fencing while the other person is attaching it to the fence post. So you can see my dad going through with zip ties and securing the top fence posts, the horizontal, the vertical fence posts in all different places to hold the fencing along those posts. Between the two of us, we worked together to not only roll out the fencing, attach the fencing, but keep it nice and tight, making sure that it stayed even and level across each one of the posts. We would make sure to secure the fencing to the posts first, and then we would go back and snip off any excess. A whole lot easier having two people. We are using some of these staples. Pro tip, we're using the staples, but in order to save our fingers, using the pliers there to hold it in place, and then we're pounding it in.